Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in to Hollywood Consulting. Today we will show you how to list products on your Shopify store using dropshipper CJ Dropshipping. Please be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and let's begin. Okay, so let's get into it. Here is cjdropshipping.com. And as you can see, this is the dashboard. Here's an overview of what it will look like. You have your products listed here. You have orders. If you have orders that need to be fulfilled or orders that you placed, everything is there for you to see and verify what's going on. Here you have that you can actually do customization to some of their products. Scroll down. Right here is My CJ, which is your dashboard. You can go into your profile and do work order tickets. Here are the warehouses that you can choose from, the locations, which best fits you and your needs. Here are the categories of the various products that they have available in these warehouses that you can go through and choose whether you want to list them, ask questions, or customize them. Okay, so here I'm going to show you how this works. I clicked on bags and shoes, chose women, and here they provided me with images, pricing of all the bags and shoes for women's that they have available in their warehouse. Now, usually they list 100 products per page. It is up to you to do your due diligence and go through them and see what best fits your store. As you can see, they have pricing and they have list. Now, list is how many stores have actually listed the products. As you can see, some of them have 3, some of them have 4, some of them have 3. So those are just 3 or 4 stores that have actually listed the products. So I'm going to go to page 2 to continue my search for the bag or shoe that I'm looking for to list as my product. And you see, oh, they have nice sandals. Yeah, ready for the summer. Look at that. Again, these are all the products that they have. They have a lot of products available in different categories for you to choose from. And never be afraid to take your time and do the research. Okay, so I'm going to page 3. And I'm going to choose these water shoes because it just makes sense for the summertime to choose a product that's ready for the summer. Okay, see, these are the images that they have for their products. You can choose which one you would like to be your cover photo. If you want to remove an image, you can as well. I will show you as we go along. But here you see there are wholesale prices available if you want to order wholesale and not do drop shipping. So they have that available as well. Down here, you see your estimated processing time. They provide you with the information for each product, so please make sure you pay attention to those because that is very important for your shipping times. You don't want to have your customers out here hitting you up about products they did not receive in said time that you promised. Down here were the fees that are associated. You can customize your product as well. But going back to the fees associated with these products, that's another part that you need to pay attention to. And I will show you when we list the products how you can do your bulk edit of your prices, and they will have the fees associated right there included in the product price. Okay, so now I'm going to show you what we're here for, to list your product. So I hit list, as you can see there. And here, product type, it will be on your home page. That's what I have it set up to. You can change your title of your product. Make sure you put whatever title you want to display on your Shopify boutique or store, because all of this is going to populate into your Shopify store. So I'm just going to type in something here that I will feel comfortable with being my product title for the Shopify. So, let me clean that up. So much for spelling. Okay, so I'm typing in non-slip, high-top swimming shoes. You can go to your collections, whatever collections you have, and click on collection. So I'm not going to click on a collection. You can do your product tags here if you want to, or you can wait until you get into Shopify I'm going to set up some tags here so it can already populate into my Shopify store. Then I'm going to go into variant pricing, and this is where you see all the prices associated, and these are your drop shipping prices. This will be the actual price per product. Scroll down, and those are the actual prices per product. So what I'm going to do is, since it's 13 and change, I'm going to put $25 in the bulk review, 25, and click OK. Once I click that OK, it's going to list 25 in all of the product price. Up here, images and videos, this is where they have all the images associated with that product that will go into your Shopify store and be used as your product pictures. You can use them if you would like. You can take them away. I'm going to unclick here, so that will not be displayed in my store. And the rest I will leave there, and then click list now. Okay, it's doing its thing. And that's going to take its time to list the product. Please give it a moment to do so. It takes its time. Okay, I'm clicking on my products. This is just show you I have a list of products that I have populated from products that I'm interested in, but they're not listed on my Shopify store. These are just products that I'm interested in that I had put in a catalog for me. So I'm going to listing records, and right here is where you would see whether or not your product populated. Alex is CJ Dropshipping's customer support. We don't need you right now. But on listed and on listing is where you would see whether or not the product populated. And see, it listed right there. And there you have. Okay, and now you have your product listed, as you can see. So now I'm going to go click out of here and show you guys around a little more on the dashboard of CJ Dropshipping. And Alex is back again. He's just going to keep popping up, so you just X him out. That's all. Let me just X Alex out. And as you scroll down, again, products are right there. So you choose through the categories, as I previously stated. And now I'm scrolling down to show you all the different things that you have accessible on the platform. They do provide you with trending products. They provide you with new products. You can go into categories for video products and print on demand. They have deals, different hot selling categories. They even have products that you can go through that are hot on TikTok Shop and various other platforms that they are associated with, like Shopify, WooCommerce, Etsy, eBay, that are popular for e-commerce platforms. Okay, so now you've added a product onto your Shopify platform using cjdropshipping.com. Now, if you are in need of any more information or resources for your small business, please check out HWC Empowers Her digital courses available for $20 at hollywoodconsulting.com. Feel free to connect with us on all the social media platforms listed, and like, share, and subscribe if you like what we're doing. We want to thank you for tuning in, and we wish you well on your journey. Always remember that your success is our success. Have a blessed one. Wrote it down for double homicide. I try to tell him lay low. See, don't like the driver, he stay good. I'm on the way to Clayco. AK-47s in the spots before they made the Draco. I'm just trying to ball and live.